All right, so you're staring at your dream guitar on the wall, but that price tag is just a little bit spicy. We've all been there. You start thinking about financing it with the Guitar Center Gear card, but then that big question pops into your head. Is my credit score good enough? The last thing anyone wants is that awkward rejection. So, what's the real deal? While Guitar Center doesn't list an official score, the general consensus is that you'll want to have a score in the fair to good range. Think of 640 as a decent starting point to get your foot in the door. To give you a better idea, data from Credit Karma shows the average approved score is around 683. But hold on, your score isn't the only thing that matters. They also peek at your income and how much debt you're currently carrying. The absolute best way to see if you'll get it is to use Guitar Center's own pre-qualification tool online. You get an answer in seconds, and the best part? It's just a soft credit check, so it has zero impact on your credit score. Before applying, take a minute to check your real credit score, the exact score lenders actually use, not just the estimates from free apps. It's also smart to review your full credit report for any errors that could be lowering your score without you realizing it. The good news is you can access both for almost free for 7 days. If you want to check yours, the link to get started is in the video description below. This way, you know exactly where you stand without any guesswork or risk. If you get the pre-qualified thumbs up, you can go ahead and apply with confidence. If not, no big deal. You just know it's time to work on building up your credit a bit more before you try again. Go check out the pre-qualification link in the description, and hopefully, you can get that dream gear in your hands.